Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect VT markets to MetaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is head on over to myaccount.vtmarkets.net and then either sign into your account or create a new account. It's very straightforward. Now, once approved, go to your client portal at myaccounts.vtmarkets.net. Then from here, go ahead and click on under features, click on account. So you go ahead and open a live account, or if you want to do a demo account, you can. So you can see I've already created a demo account. So doesn't matter which one you're doing. If you're creating a live or demo, it's all the same. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and open up another demo account. Now we can choose our platform. So it could be MT5 or MT4. Choose account type, standard or raw. Choose account currency, leverage, and account balance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do standard. I'm going to choose AUD because I'm Australian. Leverage, I'm going to do 200 to 1, and then also account balance. I'm going to click on 100K and then click submit. And now that's going to go ahead and set up that demo account for me. And also it says your additional demo account has been set up and you receive an email with your login details shortly. So you need to open up your emails and get your login details because we're going to need this in the next step. So here it is here, the email I got from some VT Markets client P. So you go ahead and open up that email and save your login credentials. Now, because this is just a throwaway account and a demo account, I don't mind showing my login details because you're going to need, it's going to look something similar to this. So your MT5 login is here, your password is here, and your MT5 server is here because we're going to need this later. All right, so now we need to go ahead and jump over to MetaTrader 5. Now, to get to that screen I was just on, we need to go ahead and click on to File in the top left-hand corner. And then from here, we need to go ahead and click on the Open Account tab. Now, from here, list the companies, got a little search bar. So go ahead and type in VT Markets. Make sure not to misspell it and then hit enter. And now this is the one I'm going to click into, VT Markets Pty Ltd. Then click next. Now on the next page, it will say open an account. So we can open a demo account from here if you like, but we've already done that previously, or open a real account. Now from here, connect with an existing trade account. So this is the one that we need. So the login is going to be this. So I'm going to copy this, head back over, paste that in. Your password is going to be that one. Come back here. And now if you notice the server, so this is a VT Markets demo. So we need to make sure this is a demo and then go ahead and click on to finish. And now on the bottom left-hand side of the page, we can see under accounts, we've got the VT Market demo account opened here. From here, you can go to Market Watch, right click and select Show All and display available instruments if you like. Drag any pair onto the chart and start placing some trades.